Hi, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how you can do a shawl using just one stitch, a repeat stitch over and over and over again. Make it as wide as you want, as long as you want your shawl, and we start off with how many chains you need, that is required. Make as many chains as you need, and I've done that chain at the bottom, and then I've done a half double crochet all the way through. I'm going to show it to you on my next row. Half double crochet all the way through, and I've come to the end of the row. For this row, for the end of the row, same thing. Yarn over, go into your chain. Oops. Yarn over, pull through, and then you pull through all, sorry. That's the end of your double crochet. I'm going to show it to you on the second row. You chain one, turn over, turn your work over, yarn over. Instead of going to, because now you've done your half double crochet at the bottom, you just go to the back stitch here, pick up that back stitch. Can be a little tricky here. Let me see, that's the first chain. Sorry, I can show it to you this way. Yarn over and pull through all three, yarn over, pick up the back chain, yarn over, pull through three, yarn over, pick up the back chain, yarn over, pull through three, yarn over, pick up the back chain, yarn over, pull through three, and you can just do this back and forth each time you reach the end of the row. Now this, for the second row, when you reach the end, I'll show you, you pick up not just one chain, you pick up the two chains. Okay, so we'll do this back half double crochet all the way to the end, and I'll show you at the end. So like I said, we've reached the end of the row, second row. Now for the second row, when you yarn over, pick up these two rows. Do not pick up just the back, because you want it to look neat and nice and neat. Pick up both the chains, the full chain. Pick it up. Did I pick it up? Yes. And then pick up the whole thing. Pull through the whole thing. Right, so you look nice and square here. Right, then you yarn over, or rather you just do one more chain at the end. Just do one chain, turn your work, and you just continue the same thing over and over again, because it looks simple, it looks super easy, and at the end the best part is it is gonna look really nice for your shawl or a simple tank top that just runs all the way, and then you can just put on your sleeves, or rather your straps for the tank top. So it can be a bag. This will be good for a bag as well. See the pattern? It looks like that. Front and back is the same, except that the front here has a bump, and here the bump is at the bottom. So I just find this stitch an easy and simple, yet elegant. I think it is elegant. For a shawl, for a simple tank top. And when you finish your shawl, right, depending on how wide, this is just, of course this is not the size of the shawl, but depending on how wide and how long your length, then as long as you don't make the mistake of bending your, or rather you need to ensure that your sides, each time you do a row or two rows, just focus on this. If you missed one, normally I'll just remove everything, I'll just undo everything and start over again, because if you continue and this part here gets smaller or wider, it really doesn't look nice at all. So sometimes we miss a stitch. As much as I don't like to redo it, I still redo it. That's why it's best to just look at for every 2 to 3 rows, I'll check the sides as well. Sometimes we may miss it, no matter how easy the stitch is. It has happened to me before, and when you get a little lazy and you think, it's okay, it'll be fine the next stitch, it looks weird. Sometimes it just looks nice here, and then looks weird here, and then it doesn't look even at all. So continue to stitch, and I'll just show you a few more rows. I'll come back. So this is what I have. I'm working on a top, and this is how I just want to show you. My top has got two different stitches. This is a different cross stitch. This is a beautiful double crochet cross stitch. I will be showing this to you. Look at this. I just divert a bit. This is actually a double crochet, but you skip one and then you come back. I'll just show it to you on my next video. It's really pretty. It's also quite sweet. So coming back to our half double crochet, this is how your shawl will look like. This is how it look like. So that's the nice part. Sometimes you may get bumps here and there, but you know, as long as you neaten it out, it should be fine. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can make something out of this with this stitch, the half double crochet. There's the half single crochet, which is a little smaller. It's the same effect. You get the same design, same pattern. But I really want to show you this one. I just reminded myself that this stitch here, yeah, I will show you on my next video. Have a good day, a good night from wherever you are. I'll see you again. Bye.